Welcome to Panasonic eHelp. In the following how-to video, we will show you how to configure the Smart Motion notification type on the Panasonic Baby Monitor. By using the Smart Notification feature, you can specify how the monitor unit notifies you when motion is detected by the camera unit. To start, press the power button located on the top of the monitor unit for about 2 seconds to turn the unit on. Press the menu button. Press the arrow up or down to select Smart Notification. Press the OK button. Press the arrow up or down to select Motion Notification, and then press OK. Press the arrows up or down to select the desired motion setting. The motion notification options are Screen Lit and Notify, Screen Lit Only, and Off. When you have made your selection, press OK. Your setting is now saved. Press the menu button repeatedly to exit.